On average, sheep have a natural lifespan of 10 to 12 years, but in animal agriculture, these gentle creatures are slaughtered before they turn 1. Most sheep in the United States are killed at 6 to 8 months to serve the meat industry. Lambs can be sent to slaughter at just 10 weeks of age. These two here are about 12 weeks old. Like cows and goats, sheep are used on dairy farms where they suffer an exploitative cycle for milk production. They are repeatedly impregnated and their lambs taken from them so that their milk can be sold.